Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So if you're new to this channel, please first of all subscribe. We have content related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, all that you need. So don't forget to subscribe. And today's tutorial is all about getting glammed up for the new year. So it's a festive makeup look, it's a party makeup look. You can use it, and this kind of makeup look suits any skin tone, like literally. So if you try it, please don't forget to tag us at Naaz.Aurora and at Makeup by Naaz Arora on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into today's video. Party season is all about getting glammed up and glowy. So I'm mixing my primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer with this Cover FX Moonlight Shimmer, and we are going to apply this as a base before our foundation. So I'm taking a drop of it on the back of my hand like so, and now I'm going to mix it with my primer. Oh my god, they make a divine combination. Photo Finish is one of the best ever primers that I've used, and I totally love it. I'm just going to mix the This is something I never skip. Like, I might like my makeup to be glowy and beautiful, so I just keep on. Now I'm taking the MAC NC20 and I'm going to put it all across my lids so that we can start with the eye makeup. I'm putting a lighter shade on my eyelid so that my colors stand out. You can do the same. Guys, now I'm taking this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit and I'm mixing the wax with the powder, dabbing off the excess in the beginning. And I'm just going to line my eyebrows like so. Make sure you leave the beginning. आप देख रहे हैं मैंने beginning से नहीं start किया, मैंने mid से थोड़ा सा पीछे से start किया because I want my brows to have a very natural finish. So that is one of the main reasons कि मैंने beginning से नहीं start किया. And now I'm going to line it to the end. That's how you shape your brows perfectly. And if by chance you've messed up, you can always use a concealer to clean it up. I'll do my brows offline, the second one, and I'll come back. So now I'm taking this Smoky R8 palette by Nika and taking this very dark brown shade here. Define my crease a little further. And look at that. Look at the pigmentation, guys. Color is so highly pigmented. So I'm taking this Sephora brush to just buff it out a little and make it look like a gradual transition. The last step would be taking this shade and putting it on the high points. Oh, look at that. To define my eyes further, I'm taking the same Super Shock and using the same index finger to put in a little more color. Like that. Look at that. I love this eye makeup. For the under eye, I'm taking the same Smoky R8 palette. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this dark brown shadow with this black one and using this smaller fluffy brush to create a smoky effect under my eye. Now we are going to do a mascara. I'm taking this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama. So first you put the mascara downwards and then you lift your lash upwards. That's the correct technique. And now I'm just going to put mascara on the lower lash as well. Guys, now I'm taking this Try Sugar Foundation 30 Chocochino and it's made in Korea. I don't know why did I tell that, but anyways. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. We've already primed, so we don't need a primer again. It comes with a blender, like a blending brush. which I really like. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. You can invest in this one. It's amazing. To highlight the high points of my face, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 Light, and that would be my highlight. So I'm applying it on the high points of my face. And we are just going to blend this in. I'm using the same foundation brush to just blend in my highlight. I'm not smudging it or anything, I'm just blending it simply in the same place. Okay guys, that's it for my face makeup. I am just going to powder it a little so that everything sets in place. वैसे तो ये makeup winters हैं, कहीं नहीं जाएगा. But because we're dancing, we're partying all the time. Foundation, the powder shade that I use on myself is the NC41 by MAC. I know it's a little darker, but I like looking duskier. You can go for a lighter shade or a shade exactly of your skin color if you like. I'm going for a shade darker. But trust me, it doesn't make me look that dark, just the tan effect is what I like. Guys, I'm taking this mini bronzer from Try Sugar in the shade 02 Woody Wood Wonder. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to use it as my contour shade. So, for contouring, I'm just going to create a line like so. And I'm going to blend it in very lightly. Okay, create this 3 kind of shape. You see 1, 3. That 3 shape is here. That's how you contour. Alright, and then you can contour the nose a little with the leftover powder. Not, I don't need a sharp contour because my nose is already sharp.
But still I do it. Can you see that? A little contour does wonders for me. So I am just creating this lean jaw effect. My jawline is already damn good. Oh my god. So now I am going to take this mini blush in the shade Peach Peak, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. A little on my nose and a little here. You can always put a little bit more of a blush because that's one makeup product that goes off super quickly. So always put a little extra.
I am going to take this highlighter in the shade 04 Royal Rose, and I'm just taking the same brush, going to highlight the center of my nose. Can you see that goddamn glow? It's so beautiful. And if you notice, because our primer had a shimmer to it, so our skin is already very glowy, but this is going to add that sass to your face. Look at that. I'm looking like a glow goddess right now. Now we are just left with the lips, so let's do that. I thought because I'm wearing a very shimmery top, I would do a nudish pink kind of a lip shade. But if you want, you can go for a bright red. That is something I would always prefer. Or a berry shade looks damn good in winter. So yeah, I'm taking a pink liner pencil, lip liner. Going to line my lips. I generally go for glosses, but then because I'm already wearing too much shimmer, I'm not going for a gloss today. So just filling the lip liner in. Always fill your lip liner in. For example, if your lip color even goes off, you still have a pretty looking lip. So that's one trick you guys should learn today. Taking the shade Cocoa Plum by Inside, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it and dab it all across my lips. Keeping that like that. So guys, the last step is using this NYX setting spray. I am going to put it across all over my face. Now we're going to dry this super quickly. I hope you guys found this New Year makeup look very useful. You can use it for other occasions as well. And I love the way this has turned out. It is suitable to all skin types, every kind of person, every skin tone. So do not be afraid of trying it, guys. You can also follow me on my Instagram at Naaz.Arora and at Makeup by Naaz Arora. Please don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, share, and subscribe. Love you guys.